Do versus make. Do the housework, do the laundry, do the shopping, do the cleaning, do the dishes. Do homework, do a report, do a project, do the math. Make the bed, make a noise, make a comment, make a joke, make a point, make arrangements, make a speech, make a suggestion, make a prediction, make a confession, make an excuse, make a promise, make a fuss, make an observation, make a mistake, make a call, make a reservation. I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, we go, they go. Husband plus wife, spouses. Mother plus father, parents. Grandmother plus grandfather, grandparents. Sister plus brother, siblings. Daughter plus son, children. Nephew plus niece, nibblings. Aunt plus uncle, peeblings. Happy, content. Tired, exhausted. Scared, frightened. Smart, intelligent. Rich, wealthy. Poor, impoverished. Hard, difficult. Fast, rapid. Hungry, famished. Thirsty, parched. Lazy, indolent. Friendly, amiable. Rude, impolite. Funny, amusing. Brave, courageous. Weak, feeble. Strong, robust. Ugly, unattractive. New, recent. Healthy, wholesome. Important, significant. Clean, pristine. Quick, swift. Bright, luminous. Dark, obscure. Safe, secure. Dangerous, hazardous. Lucky, fortunate. Unlucky, unfortunate. Funny, humorous. Serious, grave. Common, ubiquitous. Rare, infrequent. Basic, fundamental. Simple, straightforward. Complex, complicated. Clear, transparent. Cold, chilly. Old, ancient. Calm, serene.